are all from the British Bangladeshi community. All of them represented the Labour Party, and I'm so proud of that.
Well, at the moment, people coming from countries like Bangladesh are not being removed because they're not being processed.
Why did he choose Bangladesh?
Shown leadership, we've shown compassion. Many of you here, without being told, hundreds of you went and prepared meals and donated them free of charge to your local hospitals and to the NHS. No one asked you to do that. You did that. You're an inspiration to us all. Thank you, thank you.
When Britain arrived in Bengal, it was the richest place in the world. When Britain left Bengal, it was the poorest place in the world.
The countries where people come from. People coming from countries like Bangladesh are not being removed.